Let's find out how we can create door and window in this 3D model of a residence. I'm going to create a rectangle in this opening. Select it, move it outside. So for window, we are going to create a frame using offset. Select this plane and delete it. Pull this thickness. Take the selection tool, triple click it and make a group. Now we have to create window with its frame and panels. Again taking the rectangle tool, this time creating it from this point till this. Tape measure tool, line, again tape measure, offset 2.5 inches this time. Deleting the face, delete the guidelines, triple click to select all this and move it at this point 1.5. Select by triple clicking and group it. Again a rectangle to create the glass panel. Select it, you can group it and move it at the center of this thickness. And now we are going to create copies of this panel. It is already selected. With move we can turn on the copy mode. Start from here and put it here, and now you can tell the number of copies you want. I want 4 copies into 4, enter. Once again you can select it and group it into one. Take the move tool, pick this point and keep it here. So the window is placed properly. We can create door handles. Creating a guideline first, a rectangle using the push pull. Now a circle, deleting the line. Select this face, take the scale tool. About center we are going to scale it down. Mirror image, copy mode, select both, move and copy. Let's create window casing. Rectangle, select this face. We can bring it outside so that we can work upon it properly. Keeping it at the same level, we'll select only the plane and delete it, as I want only this rectangle. It will be used as a path for creating the casing. First I'm going to create a profile. For profile I'm going to take the line tool, start from this point. This will be 3 inches, 3 inches again, 3 by 4 inches, again 3 by 4 inches. So the face will be created. Line tool, erasing extra. Now choosing the path. Follow me tool, slide it, and this will be converted like this. Moving it again, you can turn on the X-ray mode from the styles panel. First convert it into a group, select it completely. Now moving it at the right place. So this is finally going to look like this.